Welcome to this beginner tutorial series on Microsoft Excel. When you open Excel, the first thing you see is the Start screen, where you can create a new blank workbook or choose from templates. A workbook is like a file in Excel, and inside each workbook you have worksheets. A worksheet is made up of rows and columns, and where they intersect you have cells. Each cell can hold text, numbers, or formulas. At the very top of Excel, you will see the title bar, which shows the name of your workbook. Below that, you will see the ribbon, which has tabs like Home, Insert, Page Layout, Formulas, and more. Each tab contains groups of commands that help you perform different tasks. On the left side, you'll find the Quick Access Toolbar, which gives shortcuts for save, undo, and redo. At the bottom of Excel, you'll find the Status bar, which shows information like average, sum, and count of selected cells. In this beginner series, we will explore all of these tools step by step. By the end of this course, you'll be able to confidently create and manage spreadsheets in Excel. In the next video, we'll learn how to create, save, and open workbooks.